purpose of today's event is to show kids the different career opportunities that are available in Northeast Michigan. It's also an opportunity for the employers in the area to show off what they do in their different local businesses.
So it's incredible to see all that's here in Northeast Michigan. It starts the conversation. This is available in my area, and this is something that I can do.
I feel like all of the hands-on activities that they had will certainly impact their decisions as they go forward.
Anytime a person can put their hands on something and see it work, it really gives them a sense of interest and wanting to explore it more.
Yeah, they get up in there and they're amazed at how many buttons, and it's cool.
Right now, most kids understand what their teachers do at school and what their parents do and maybe some of their relatives. And that's only a small view of all the different things that are available for us career-wise in our state and then in particular Northeast Michigan.
I represent Michigan CAD, and this is an excavator simulator.
We're letting the kids actually hop up in the cab.
We've got 3D glasses so they can see the shipwrecks in virtual reality.
I think the simulators really get their attention because they see the controllers and then they kind of get interested what they can do with being a drone pilot.
We are teaching them how to stop the bleed, both with a couple different adjuncts, one of them being the tourniquet.
And I need some volunteers to count out a couple prescriptions.
This is our tactical entry vest.
I was showing the kids how to legally hack into a website.
Kids were astonished by the amount of sugars that were in the drinks.
We want the kids to be exposed to as many careers as they possibly can in one day.
I learned how to do CPR, construction,
welding.
It's very interesting for us students to be able to comprehend what we're going to be able to do in our near future.
I want to be a physical therapist.
There's a lot of things that I'm interested in, and I have plenty of choices of my career path.
It was a wonderful day for educators and students.
It is great seeing all these young students and kids out here learning about the world and seeing the technology and open up to all these different career paths.